take care of you. Take care of you. Take care of you.
What is up, guys? Welcome to today's episode of Hooked on Fishing. It is 90 degrees out here, hotter than hot. There's a little frog somewhere over here. There's the frog. But yeah, it's hot. I got off school a little bit early, first day of college, and it was good, but I bought some worms. I'm gonna go fishing, see if I can catch some monster bluegill in this canal once I find a good location. So until then, see you guys later when I find a good spot. Ooh, there we go, guys. Ooh, there's a big fish over there. First bluegill of the day. I have a feeling this might be a good spot. Get out. There we go, first one of the day. Decent size. Alright, ready? Watch this. Cast out over there. Ooh, already had to take her. Ooh, I had a bass. That was a bass, guys. I'm surprised they're still out. It's getting kind of cold. Ooh, there's one. Slightly, actually same size as the other one. Trying to catch that bass. Boom. There's a bass in there. There's like a decent bass. Here's a small one. Not the one I wanted. Alright, here's the bass. It's chasing after it. Ooh, there it is. Big one. Come on. He's right there. Can catch each cast. There's a bass. There's two bass. Oh, got the bass. Got the bass. Ha ha ha. Hee hee, got the bass. Ooh, dinky boy. There's another bass. Ready? I'm gonna try and get another bass really quick. Ready? There he is, he's right there. Oh. Tangled. Alright, there's two more bass where I just cast in. I'm just gonna move it along the top of the water. Oh, come on. No. Why is he going away from it? Come on, bass. See, I'll put it right in front of his face. Boom. I got a small one. Boom. Skaloom. Just about time for a new worm. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one. That's what I'm talking about. Big old green sunfish. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. There's a bed of them right in here. There we go. And it's tangled again. Good goodness. Okay. I'm gonna hook each one onto my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. Dang, I got a lot of worms. Oh. I could only hook 5 because this is just a small hook. Looks like spaghetti. I'm just gonna sit it here. It's gonna tear apart. The fish are just gonna come and tear it apart. If they're not too scared of it, that is. You might think it's some weird octopus looking thing. Just gonna float that along.